Okay, so this is what the shelving looks like that I have now, and it's just 2 bookcases with the shelving, and then on top I have handbags, and then on this side I have handbags up there, and then towards the bottom I have like winter boots and more back there. So we're gonna take this down and put like floating shelves, and hopefully I can display this a little neater than what it is, because right now it's like a real eyesore. So I have these here that I hauled, and let's start emptying this out. Those are the boxes of the shelves. They're 6 feet each. They should be 5. So there's 2 that are still we're waiting on, but we're gonna open that up and put it out. Okay, so all of this has to go. So I'm gonna put all the, I have a bin here. I'm gonna put all these shoes in here, and then I have to take these out, sweep here, mop it a little bit so that my husband can start doing the stuff. And I don't know if I'm gonna mop because he is gonna be drilling and he's gonna put more dirt, more dust. But I'm gonna start with the stuff that I haven't been wearing too much, because now that I'm at work I can't wear a lot of open toe. So stuff like these that, you know, I can't wear, they're gonna go in the box. Alright, so I have the boxes there. I'm opening them and then I'm breaking the boxes in the plastic because I want to show you guys the shelving, not actually unboxing plain white shelves. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I still have 3 more boxes to do, but this is what they're looking like. They're pretty thin. Those are the brackets that'll go on it. So I set them here so my husband can do it when he gets here. But what I'm noticing is they look a little too thin. So like, say this is the shoe. There's a bit missing, like if they stand like this, like the toes are out. So I wanted them thin like this, because I didn't want it coming out too far. And I didn't want to have to, like, you know how sometimes they're this long and you have a shoe in the front and the back? I didn't want that. I wanted like just shoes going across and stuff. But I don't know if once it's up it'll be a little bit out of the wall because the brackets are going to be in there. So I have to see how that looks. And then figure out what exactly I want to do. Because I don't know how it's going to look. I think it's going to look a little funny to have the toes of the shoes stick out. You might not notice it, but I will, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. So this is how they look. They are, I want to say like a size 7, 8 going across, maybe 8. My shoes are like 9, 9.5. So we will see. So that's how they came out. And I didn't want to move the crown molding, so we did it underneath, because that one might be a little bit more separated. So that's how that looks. And that's how I have to push everything over here. So I'm going to put on the shoes and then show you. Alright. this is how it turned out, which I love. I'm gonna have to put the longer boots down here, and then over here I have more bags because I have those up there, and then I had to put the rest of my shoes here because I guess I underestimated how much shoes I have. And then I have that bin there with more shoes, and then I'm throwing some over here that I'm gonna be taken to Goodwill. But that's how it looks, and I'm thinking I can still put 2 more here. I don't know though. And then I have those boxes that have like flip-flops and stuff, but that's how it looks. So when you come in, it looks like that. So, and I'm glad I can see it because I ordered these shoes on eBay. They just came in. And then I ordered that snakeskin boots, just came in. And I can see what I have because sometimes I'm like, I don't know if I have. And now I have like all these blacks. And I just ordered something else. So, I'm gonna have my sneakers up there. So that's how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I did this. Let me know what you think down below. What do you think of storage? Maybe I can change it up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.